welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. First thing, please subscribe to my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Second thing, if you like the video, just like it. Today we're going to work on what we call modal interchange or modal change. What is it about? I'm playing two different chords. I'm playing a C major 7 here for 2 bars and after a C minor 7. So those two chords do not belong to the same harmonization. The thing is, how to improvise over C major 7 and C minor 7? It's one step in improvisation you should have a look at. So the first thing here I'm going to be working on is C major 7. I'm going to think it as playing C Ionian. So I'm going to be playing the C major scale. And when I'm going to be playing over C minor 7, I'm going to think it like a C Dorian. So, which brings me to play B flat major scale. So now, of course, if I play C major, which is C Ionian over my C major chord, it's going to work. If I play B flat major C Dorian over my C minor 7 chord, it's also going to work. Now, know that there are notes you can target, you can tag. So on the C major 7, we're going to do little games so that your improvisation is going to flow. As you heard before, my improvisation there, I was targeting notes. The first note I was playing when I was switching chords was either the 3rd or the 7th of each chord. So for the C major 7 here, my 3rd is going to be the note E. So I'm going to look for all the E's I have here. And there's more, of course. And when I'm switching to C minor 7, I'm going to start with E flat, the minor 3rd, because we have an E flat, it's a minor 3rd, and the C minor 7. So E flat, I'm going to have it right here, fret 4. I can have it here. Okay, let's start that first little exercise here. So I'm just going to play that backing track. This is the first step here, using the thirds as note of target. So E. E flat. On C major 7, E. So you can try that at home. Just use a looper. I use a Dito stereo looper, and I just play C major 7, playing some little finger picking, easy finger picking, 2 bars really slow on C major 7, and after 2 bars over C minor 7. The second exercise here is once you master how to play using those 2 different scales, switching chords and targeting as first note of each chord pattern, the E or E flat, E for C major 7 and E flat for C minor 7, is to target after the 7th of the chords, because I'm playing C major 7. So the major 7 here, it's going to be the note B. So I'm going to look for the B's here. B. And also target the B flats for the C minor 7. Okay, so let's give a try on that. So B. chord transition between C major 7 and C minor 7, what we call a modal interchange, because we're changing mode without changing the tonal point, which is the note C, the root here. But we're absolutely not in the same scale. It's impossible if you just try to improvise over that. If you're not prepared to improvise over those two chords, it's game over. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my guitar lesson channel. I also have a Patreon, so if you want exercises on this lesson, please subscribe.